Okay, so here's construction 5, and before we start construction 5, we have to look at our final axiom, which is axiom 5. And that says that given a line L, so that's just some line, and a point P, there is exactly one. So that means there can't be more than one, there's only one. There's exactly one line through P perpendicular to L. So all that means is that if we have a line and we have a point above it, that there's only going to be one line that can go through it that is also perpendicular to L. So that means construction 5, what we're doing is we're drawing a line parallel to another line through some point. So this one's pretty straightforward. We're going to start off, we'll draw our line that we start with. Here we go. Doesn't need to be anything too crazy. We'll call it L and we put some point P here. Okay. Step 1, we're going to need our set square for this. So we have to place our set square. Sorry, that's not how you spell square at all. Place our set square with one side along the line L. Place a ruler along the side of the set square. Okay, so that might be a little bit confusing, but we set it up like this. We have a set square like this, and we put our ruler along the side like this, so that this stays there and that stays there. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move this to write the next bit, but you would keep it where it is. Step 2 says slide the set square, sorry. Slide the set square along the ruler. Until you hit point P. Okay. Then third step is draw a line through P. So I'll show you how all that happens now. So step 1, we have our set square along the line, we have our ruler along the side of it, and if we keep those, you have to press nice and firmly on that ruler so it doesn't move, but we can move this up and down, it'll always be parallel to this line. We get to the point P, and all I have to do is take my pencil and draw a line through P, and there we go. And if I want to continue that line, I just need to line it up on my ruler and finish it off. Whoops. So this is where you have to be really careful. You don't want it to go off of what you've already drawn. And there is a perpendicular line to L through some point called P.